Hi guys, today we are talking about carrot and beetroot juice, health benefits and the recipe. Carrots and beetroot juice or smoothie solves a number of health problems since they contain a good mineral and nutrients and fiber. 1. Detoxification. It assists in excretion of toxins from the body. Provide good eyesight since the juice contains vitamin A which promote good eyesight. Improves digestion due to adequate fiber in the juice. The juice gives you a blemish-free skin since it contains vitamin C. It helps in treating low blood levels, that's anemia. The juice improves blood circulation in the arteries. So let's go to the juice recipe. Ingredients today we have 2 carrots, a good size of 2 carrots, a ginger, a beetroot, and strawberries. The strawberries are just to give a sweet taste to the juice. We also have a lemon here. I'll show you where to put it. And a cup of water. Here it is. We have a cup of water. So let's go ahead and prepare this ingredient together. If you've not subscribed, just subscribe for more of these videos. At the moment, due to the COVID-19, we are advised to take these medicinal juices. So that we can be immune, so that the immune can be raised. We are able to fight against the COVID-19 and other diseases that might come along. Let's go on and prepare these ingredients. I am now done with the carrots. So I go to my beetroot now. I cut it into smaller pieces. This juice is nutritious when taken when fresh, so it's not advisable for you to make a lot of it then you store. No, it's advisable that you take it when it's fresh. So this one is not for storing, that's why I'm not going to make so much of it. Those are my beets. Then I have my ginger. I also cut it into small pieces here. I know the taste of ginger is not that enticing, but the healthy benefits will amaze you of ginger. So make it a habit of taking ginger, or even you cook with ginger. You can even make juices like I'm doing with ginger. It's so beneficial to our body. Those who are hypertensive, it is believed that ginger controls hypertension. Hypertension is pressure, high blood pressure. So I'm done. Also this one I can just mix them into pieces, then mix them in my blender, all of them. I'll mix all of this in my blender so that it blends together and mix. you.